provide, Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore was the top ranker in this category.
What began as a small college with 180 students 35 years ago has now become a big university with 4 campuses and 40,000 students. We have students drawn from all the 29 states of India and also from 54 countries of the world. Started in the year 2017, VIT Bhopal is a fast-growing university in the country. It has a unique location, strategically located in between Indore and Bhopal, the cleanest cities of India, and it is located in a 200-acre green campus conducive to the happy and healthy living of students. In these 2 years, it has attracted students from 26 states of India, and the faculty hail from 19 states of India. This is the only university which can claim that all its faculty are with doctoral degrees. In VIT, we would like to maintain high quality of education, and that's why we are introducing innovations in the teaching learning process. We have introduced FFCS, fully flexible credit system, and which enables a student to choose his subject, his teacher, his timing, etc. And also in VIT Bhopal, we have introduced what is called CalTech, Collaborative Active Learning Through Technology, where lab and lecture is integrated, and what we call studios, where there will be no blackboards and no backbenchers. This is a new innovation where we have introduced in Bhopal, and it will be very useful to the students. This year, we have set a record that 650 companies have visited VIT campus for placements, which includes all the 4 campuses, Vellore, Chennai, Amaravati and Bhopal. And we are ready with the future-ready programs in the campus in cyber security, gaming, artificial intelligence, aerospace and bioengineering, which is going to be very useful for the students of VIT.
We have a very extensive placement network that completely engages with the industries, both the IT sector and the core companies. We have a very pioneering team, and all the 4 campuses have independent placement cells that coordinates with a central team that functions for the entire VIT brand. And our placement records are stellar. Most of the continuous is over 10 lakhs. Dream offers, that is packages over 5 lakhs, we have touched 400. In fact, Deloitte set a record last week with 191 recruits, a national record. And it's all still happening. It's just started. The placement season just started, and we have such very high-performing students. So people tend to come and snatch them early. So we are working on increasing the pay package now. Mostly everybody gets a job once they're at VIT. So that is, now we are trying to increase the average pay package. And we don't just restrict them for recruitment. We use them, we want the industries to help us in our curriculum. They're there for us in the curriculum design. They're there for us in our academic council. They say what kind of courses we can offer, what will be the future. So they help us and shape a lot of university level academic policies.
Welcome to VIT Bhopal University. VIT Bhopal University was established in 2017 under the leadership of a visionary and Indian icon of educationist. The VIT universities are known to provide quality education to the student community. As far as VIT Bhopal University is concerned, it is strategically located in the center of India, catering the need of the student community of the country. The students in the classroom they have the lab. The teachers give the lectures as well as train the students to do the experiments. This is a unique feature in the country. Only this institution is established with a studio laboratories, studio classrooms, so that to practice with the new teaching learning methods. By this way, the students enjoy learning, avoid monotonous lectures. VIT institutions are known for providing the employment opportunities.
It's been an interesting year at VIT Bhopal. We have introduced Moodle, which is used for VPL and also helping our students to improve their coding practice. The other part of it is I teach new product development, in which students are encouraged to think out of the box and develop their design thinking. Hopefully, over a period of time, they become entrepreneurs and not job seekers.
It's a very nice experience. I get to know the process much better from the student point of view. That has helped me a lot in my career. So I don't see things just from the management point of view, from a teacher's perspective or a faculty perspective, but I can see it from the student's side.
Right.
At the end of the day, our job is to keep the students happy and safe. The students are able to relate much more to me than I am to them because they come up and tell me all sort of things. You know, sometimes to an outsider, they find it very weird when the students come up and have such a conversation with me. And I also do, we have a mentoring scheme in VIT, so each faculty is in charge of students. I also mentor students. So when they come and talk to me, I even get to know, and they sometimes talk to me very casually. It's also very nice, you know, you don't always get clustered in the high office things. You also get to know the basic things that are happening in the university. So the way they think, the level of thinking is always set high. That's what differentiates our students from the rest. So there is a scope for research. A research interest is seen in them. A lot of people go on to do their masters and doctoral degrees, not just, even if they get very fat paychecks. They want to say, no, I want to go and study. So that kind of a passion is being set in them.
The computer science department with Caltech based technology, computer based studios and 100% doctoral faculty have helped me to get better with my computer skills.
VIT Bhopal offers 100% doctoral faculty and also gives the opportunity to learn through Caltech, which is an interactive learning technology. VIT Bhopal is the first university in India to offer Caltech. VIT also encourages us to take part in national level workshops and guest lectures.
I think the students give you the best feedback. I mean, they are supposed to give the feedback, and I'm always receptive to that. And that, I think, comes because I was also a student here. And I would have thought that if somebody listens to me, that would be nice.
VIT always maintains excellence in higher education. Students are encouraged to have all-round development and leadership skill in the society.
The BTech CSE specialization course in gaming is one of the finest courses to be offered in VIT Bhopal. We take the students through an exciting range of possibilities in gaming, giving them options for careers ranging from sound engineer, sound artist, game designer, game producer. I have no doubt in my 23 years of education will be a landmark in terms of gaming as a whole, industry as a whole, and engineering education as a whole.
My passion is to start my own company. When I saw the gaming program being offered at VIT Bhopal, I knew it was the right choice for me because there is a lot of space in the gaming industry for independent developers and for startups. VIT Bhopal has given me a lot of exposure with expert faculties, cutting edge infrastructure, and many competitions like gameathons and game pitching contests, which has given me the right platform to launch my entrepreneurial career.
With the rapid advancement of technology and increasing dependency on internet, the possibility of facing cyber attacks is increasing day by day. Around 5,000 websites are being compromised each month, while thousands of events of threats occurring every second in all over the world. Therefore, the cybersecurity jobs are high in demand, with a projection of over 40% increase in coming years. We at VIT Bhopal are making future cyber warriors. We have BTech and MTech courses specifically for cybersecurity and digital forensic. I can proudly say that the division of cybersecurity and digital forensic is quickly moving towards the excellence. Our students are already working on research projects on blockchain, IoT, drone security, which are supported by MP Police and with many other foreign universities like MIT and Liverpool Hope. We have already signed MOUs with Red Hat Academy and EC Council for certified ethical hacking courses for our students. We have also received NVIDIA GPU research grant for cybersecurity. CyBIT, the annual cybersecurity conclave, is one of the largest cybersecurity event of Central India, which is being organized in association with IEEE and National Cyber Safety and Security Standards, New Delhi.
It is clear that everyone in the world needs professionals in cybersecurity. It opens up a world of options for us, from security operators to risk assessments to application security. There are many roles with our course.
It's a privilege for me to be a part of VIT University family because it gives me immense opportunity in all the various aspects of engineering. And currently I am working on preliminary research-based project. Basically, this project is between India and Portugal, and I am successfully implementing it. And from this particular project, I am getting so many information related to deep drawing, tool manufacturing, tool designing, as well as deep sheet forming.
I always wanted to work in the healthcare sector, and the bioengineering program in VIT Bhopal is the best fit for me. This program has a strong research and interdisciplinary focus that creates a great collaborative environment which will be useful for me when I will be going for higher studies and working in high-end labs. Providing affordable healthcare facilities has always been my passion, and I think I can achieve it. It has the right balance of engineering and the medical science disciplines and provides me a very innovative environment where I can apply my engineering knowledge in solving real-world healthcare and medical issues and also providing affordable healthcare facilities.
Students who come from various parts of India and globe, they feel quite safe here. We take care of their safety.
It's a lush green campus. I feel safe here as it provides a girls' hostel which is separate and also good food quality.
VIT Bhopal, a place to cherish our dreams and showcase our talents. Along with an interactive learning process, VIT Bhopal University also provides with state-of-the-art sports facilities, and that's the reason for preferring VIT University over others. In the recent past, several teams of VIT Bhopal University have brought laurels.
They can take part whatever they want in any game or any activity, clubs, etc. We want to encourage not only our academics but also the extracurricular activities of our students.
Aditya is an amalgamation of all things technical and cultural, with mellifluous music, dance, drama, and so many events that students enjoy participating in.
The diverse environment at VIT helps me to prepare myself for the future and the outside world in a better way.
VIT,
Place to learn, a chance to grow.